Hello everyone. So for today I just wanted to show you what I had made previously, what each of these looked like finished. So that's what these look like finished. Just wanted to quick show that up. Now these are the pre-made tags and the pre-made pockets that went with this series. So I thought we could sneak them in quick, get them ready to go for this journal. So we're sneaking them in here, putting them in, which is a good thing. I mean, I have a habit, again, of forgetting to add these little sweet things into my journals and leaving them left over, and I'm trying not to do that. Trying. Not necessarily always remembering, but at least I try. Again, I'm not perfect. I don't try to be. Like this one, I just thought that'd be kind of cute as a double looking thing or piece. What would be kind of cool is this. Alright. There we go. There we go. It ain't perfect, but still Nice concept to have for all of it. I am going to stick a little bit of glue in this part because that doesn't seem to want to stay down. So there we go. We got that. Them lovely pieces put in here right away. I do want to work on fabric flips with these and that type of thing, so we'll be working more with these journals on making stuff like fabric flips and all that jazz. But that is it for today. I just wanted to do a quick ad of these pieces, and we'll move on to our next one soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.